Hey everyone, this is Marco from Evolution AV. We're here at the Royal Glenora Club in Edmonton checking out our latest installation. Here in the banquet hall, we've installed some JBL pendant speakers that are controllable by a Crestron touch panel on the wall. We've installed the same thing in several of their conference rooms that are divisible. In the bar and lounge area, we've installed multiple LG displays in various sizes. Each of those displays is connected to a ZV decoder box so that it can access the HD 4K content throughout the facility. There's over 30 displays installed in this property, and each of them have access to the AV over IP system made by ZV. There are boardrooms and meeting rooms throughout the facility, each of them featuring a touch interactive display made by Loft. The Loft displays have a built-in PC, making it familiar and easy to start a presentation. And of course, each room features the JBL pendant speakers and a wall-mounted Bluetooth receiver so that guests can easily pair their own music and start playing. In the fitness studios, we have the same great sound from JBL, but added extra bass by adding some subwoofers. These rooms also feature color-changing LED bars to set the vibe for any exercise experience. In the Royal Café, we've installed digital signage to display menus and other important information. Thanks for coming along. Big thanks to the Royal Glenora Club for having us out. We really enjoyed this project. It was a lot of fun. Be sure to check it out, and be sure to check out the Royal Glenora Club at royalglenoraclub.com. And of course, for all your commercial audio-video needs, be sure to check out Evolution AV on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and of course, evolutionav.ca.